Afiqah binti Anwar, and my student ID is 01DE25F1135.
Hi, my name is Albert Raja and my meeting number is 01DE25F1136.
Precautions when using multimeter. First, we have to make sure the multimeter is in a good condition. Second, the needle can be set to 0 and the probe are not damaged, because the broken probe can be dangerous when measuring current. Second, select the correct function and range. As we want to measure current, so we need to turn this selected to this hand. Always start with a higher range to avoid the needle from sliding to the right. Then, you need to connect the probe correctly. The black probe at the core and the red probe at the ammeter unit. 1. Always switch off the power supply before connecting to the multimeter. This prevents spark or short circuit when measuring current. 5. We need to avoid touching more than one contact at a time to avoid inaccurate readings. The last step is, after the finishing, we need to turn the selector to off or the higher range and put the multimeter at the right place.
First, we have to connect the crocodile clip to the 15 volt direct current, and then the black crocodile wire to the TNT with the power supply, and then connect the probe of the multimeter, and then connect the crocodile clip to the red probe, and then the black crocodile clip to black probe. And now we have to turn the analog to the highest range, which is 10, because we use 9 voltage current to the series circuit. Let us turn on the power supply, and then I adjust the scale to 9 volt. As you can see, you can calculate the voltage in the multimeter. And now it's shown that the voltage that flows in the circuit was 9 volt. Now connect the resistor to the breadboard. And connect the red crocodile clip to the starting edge of resistor, and then connect the positive prom of DC ammeter to the positive and the black prom to 100. And now connect the red prom of the DC ammeter to the ending of resistor, and then connect the red crocodile clip, black crocodile clip to the DC ammeter as it shows the power of negative to GND. And now turn on the power supply. As you can see now, as we connect it to the 100 range, you have to calculate the milliampere as 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. So it shows that the current of the resistor is 90 milliampere. And then after this procedure, do turn off the power supply before removing all the wires.